Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize or change the grid size for your diagrams on a Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through it. Let me go with that example diagram here in Lucidchart. And if I, for example, navigate to that example diagram, guys, let me right click anywhere here. Somewhere where no elements are, but just space like this. Select document settings. And here navigate to the grid and snapping tab to the left. And here guys, here to the right, you may enable the grid by selecting show grid here. And also select the grid style as well as the grid size by clicking into the drop down menu. Like for example, dot grid. Now we see these grid dots in the background, but you can also navigate or change to line. Well, these lines are almost or barely visible, but you can customize the grid size below by clicking into that plus or up and down arrows here in centimeters. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.